Hi guys, so today I'm teaching English grade 3. Some, Sometimes I'm teaching other grades and I'm teaching also. Actually, my ears mustn't be dirty. Okay, so we're gonna read the story. Let's read it all together. Okay, did it? Let's start. I was my, uh, it was my birthday in grade R. We went to Trilot. I was swimming Gulf City. We went to Gulf City. I was swimming and eating with my friends. I went to a Adam auntie's blanket. I sleep. Then when I woke up, it was at night. My mother was looking for me. She found me. We thank the auntie for safety. Okay, we did 3 days now. Let's come with the circle the correct word. I want or was ice cream. So we can't say I wants ice cream. You can only say I want. You can only use want if someone else. Now, so you're gonna say I want ice cream. The same thing here. He wants water. She goes to school. We were playing soccer. You can say you is good. So you are good. They want to go home. Okay guys. They found to me number 4. They went to look for to me number 3. Actually guys, you can read this now because it's the other story. We haven't read it yet. There's one about to make it lost. We'll read it the other day. Bye. Please subscribe so that I know that you are watching this video.